Today we're going to be building a kayak rack.
Yep, we're going to try to find some big sticks.
So first step, shop the property, see what we can find.
Yep, there we go. We got our trusty chainsaw. We'll see what we can find.
These two Hurricanes, one's a sport, which just means it has a larger opening cockpit. So we're wanting to get these up off the ground.
On the bottom, and then there'll be one coming up like this down here, and then one like that, so it looks like a crossbuck. And then I'm going to put another one right in here, so a kayak would sit here and a kayak would sit here.
Oh, okay.
And then we'll build two of those. They'll set like this, about 6 feet apart. And then we'll put a brace down, probably a brace across the back and front, and then two in the middle to keep it from doing this.
All right, sounds good.
So we got it. Yeah. Hey, this might work. Yeah, these will be big enough right here, and these are almost the same. So let's clean these up real quick. So one would go like this.
All right.
So it would look like this.
All right.
See, that's way too high to try to put kayak up in.
Yeah.
So it's got to come down. So we're going to need to be more like that. Cut this, and the kayak should fit right up in here. We'll cut it. This one's short, one long, and the kayak can sit like this, you know. Oh my gosh, it's almost done. But it's, look how crooked it is. But that could give it some character.
Just got back from Home Depot. The nuts and bolts cost us around $54. They still don't have the spar urethane. So we're thinking that we still need that. So by the time we get that, this project's going to come in under $70.
Come up and we're all done. So there's that. That's going to work. Yeah. So let's trim this end off. Bolt it to the bottom. Then we'll pull it up and bolt it to the top. So let's bolt this down here. Okay, this has got to come down a ways. So right about it. Yeah, let's stay right there. And then I need 20 some inches. See, then I can put a short one coming up here for the kayak to fit under here. So that would work right there.
And this will get cut off a little bit, and then you're going to put the smaller one on.
Another one. Yeah, let's try to do that one.
Okay.
Let's try to do that one. So let's just lay them down, find the ones we want to use, because I think what I'm going to do is put one here, Deanna, and one in the back, and then maybe one down and cross in the middle too. I think they need to be measuring, you know, I want them just outside your cockpit, and your cockpit's a little over 5 feet. So it's got to be a little bigger, and then I'll put a lag in this one. A little lower. Oh, that'd hard to be good. Oh, that's good.
That hook right there? There we go.
Okay.
Is that straight?
We need a piece that's this length now. In the middle.
So that's not going to interfere with the other kayak that's going to be down there.
It shouldn't, so we might pull it back a little.
Or come onto this side, because the kayaks are going to go on this side.
Yeah, that's a
right?
good idea.
Maybe we should
kind of like that, so I can screw through here.
All right.
You hold that there. What do you think? Maybe right up here?
I think so.
This one right about here?
I think so. Crossbars. But for the one that's going to hold the second kayak that's going to come out at this angle, he's going to cut a 4-foot piece. 2 4-foot pieces, one for each side.
There to the about the center is 24. Look. Right there. It needs to come down a little bit. See how close it is to that one? I'm going to bring that one down almost till as far as I can, then we'll match it. So from here to the face is right at 26.
The only thing left to do is to move it into place, clean the kayaks up because they've been sitting in the elements on the ground, and this project will be done. You did such an awesome job.